Your team does great work every day, but can potential clients actually find your business online? For many agencies, workshops, and service providers, the answer is no. Introducing agency profiles on 247Tasker, a powerful new way to showcase your business, your services, and your team, all in one professional location. Create your own agency page, display your team, promote your services, build trust with potential clients. Think of it as your agency's digital storefront inside 247Tasker. Whether you're a furniture workshop, an electrical contractor, a development company, or a digital agency, agency profiles help you gain visibility and grow your business. Get started for just $20 per month, or save 20% with annual billing at only $192 per year. Join early, stand out, and turn your team into a brand. Create your agency profile today on 247tasker.com.